In the ever-evolving world of sewing technology, the Brother SE600 sewing and embroidery machine has garnered attention for its versatile features and modern capabilities. For those seeking a sewing companion that seamlessly blends traditional craftsmanship with contemporary innovation, this machine promises an array of functionalities. In this review, we delve into the machine's key features, explore its strengths and weaknesses, and consider crucial factors for potential buyers. Built-in designs. The SE600 boasts an impressive selection of creative possibilities with its 80 built-in designs and 6 embroidery lettering fonts. This extensive range allows users to personalize their projects with ease. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a novice, the machine's diverse options cater to a spectrum of creative preferences. Automatic needle threader. One of the standout features of the SE600 is its automatic needle threader, a time-saving convenience that guides the thread through the needle effortlessly. The jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin further streamlines the sewing and embroidery process. This combination of features enhances user experience by minimizing frustrating interruptions commonly associated with traditional threading methods. Built-in sewing stitches. With 103 built-in sewing stitches, including pin styles of auto-size buttonholes, the SE600 offers versatility for various projects. The maximum sewing speed of 710 stitches per minute ensures efficiency without compromising on precision. This machine caters to a broad spectrum of sewing applications, making it suitable for both intricate designs and everyday stitching needs. Large color touchscreen. The inclusion of a large 3.2-inch LCD color touchscreen sets the SE600 apart in terms of user interface. This feature allows users to preview their designs before stitching, ensuring accuracy and reducing the likelihood of errors. The intuitive touchscreen adds a modern touch to the sewing experience, making navigation and design selection user-friendly. 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery field. The 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery field, complete with an included hoop, embroidery arm, and 7 sewing feet, provides ample space for creative expression. This embroidery capability expands the machine's functionality beyond traditional sewing, making it a versatile choice for those interested in exploring the world of embroidery. Things to consider. While the Brother SE600 has an array of features, it's important to consider user feedback. One user, having transitioned from a vintage Nechi machine, expressed frustration with the SE600's quirks. The issues cited included looping threads on the back, uneven stitches, and a temperamental needle threader. The user found these quirks to be a source of irritation, requiring frequent troubleshooting and interrupting the sewing process. Final verdict. In conclusion, the Brother SE600 sewing and embroidery machine presents a compelling package of features for enthusiasts seeking a versatile and modern sewing companion. Its extensive built-in designs, automatic features, and user-friendly interface contribute to its appeal. However, potential buyers should consider individual preferences and tolerance for quirks, as highlighted by a user's personal experience. As with any purchase, understanding the trade-offs between features and reliability is key to making an informed decision in the world of sewing machines.